Mary, I didn't see you stop. Ah, there's your car. A person can get kind of hypnotized when they're staring down into the ditch. I know what it probably looks like, an older woman. I'm not really older. Time kind of got away from me. A middle-aged woman by the side of the road. I'm not lost or disorientated. I am not a drug addict. We're nice enough to stop. I guess it was the divorce. Didn't see it coming. Jerry, I'm not changing his name to protect him because he sure as hell wasn't innocent. I got arrested. Trespassing. I'm sure Jerry found it very amusing. He called the newspaper, wanted to embarrass me publicly, I guess. Well, I told the news and the police the whole story, and they let me go. Dropped all the charges. I got a full-page article on page 5 and an article that went